welcome back to Olaf's Oldtimer. In the last video, in this mini-series, we found out that the front tires are worn, which I knew before, but we also found out that the rims, the wheels itself, are in good condition, but that just the tire itself is worn and may cause the vibration at higher speeds. But still there is a possibility that it's the shock absorbers who cause this vibration. Anyway, if we do have worn shock absorbers, we would ruin new tires in no time again and would have the same effect again. So today I'm going to find a garage nearby who, for a small amount of money, I hope, will check the condition of the shock absorbers, front and back, and yeah, and then we can take it from there, buy new tires, maybe even new aluminum wheels. Not so sure, because we are driving 14-inch rims right now, the original equipment, but to get tires in the size 205 R70 is quite difficult, or at least quite expensive, so maybe it's smarter to invest in new rims as well. But first, let's see how the shock absorbers are. By the way, the car is shaking. Maybe you can't see it, but it does. So this was pretty easy. Actually, it went so fast that I couldn't really start my camera, so I had to track it with my phone. Result is shock absorbers are okay, and we have to watch for profound certificates in case I go for new rims, and I'll dig into that next. But good news is shock absorbers all around good condition, no need to replace those. So see you, stay safe and healthy, bye.